Okay guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add your email to your Roblox. Also, how do you do that? Let's get started. What you need to do is open your Roblox. When you open your Roblox and you have not added your email, automatically you're going to see add your email on the top as you open your Roblox. So just click on add email, then write your email address here. Just make sure you write the correct email address. Click on continue, and you're going to send a confirmation email to your email address. So just go to your Gmail to go and confirm it. So I'm going to go to my Gmail now. And I'm going to find the message sent to me from Roblox. You can see this is it. So I'm going to click on it. Once you click on it, and the next thing you need to do is click on verify email, and it's going to take you directly to Roblox apps. And this is it. You can say thank you, and you've automatically verify and add your email to your Roblox. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe, and like. Thank you guys.